So you believe you need to till the soil with a disc to be able to grow food, especially if it's clay, right? That's what you've been told. You've been told that if you don't sod bust it, nothing can grow there. And that's the only way to get clay soil amended enough to actually grow in it. Well, I'm here to prove you wrong. You guys see where I'm standing? We got 1.5 inches of rain last night, 12 hours ago, here in southeast Louisiana. I'm fixing to show you something. Ran a tractor through our garden, that one, all through this 1/4 acre. It's a 3-year garden, never been tilled. We didn't bog down. We didn't get stuck. There's no mud puddles. And wow, look, the clay soil's amending. So I know what you're gonna say. Oh, you're lying. That's really not clay soil. See this? This is what I garden on. This is my clay soil. That's what I started with. This is 3 years of amendment on top. It's called a shelf. And the clay underneath, look at that. I can break it up. Oh my gosh, she can break her clay up with her hands. And this got 1.5 inches of rain last night, 12 hours ago. And that big tractor walked right through here and did not get stuck. So if you want to garden sustainably, if you want to use less water, say you're in Arizona, New Mexico, California, Texas, where you're on water rations now, yet you need to grow food for your family, stop tilling the soil. They lied to you. Stop using their GMO seeds. Stop using their equipment. Stop letting big ag think for you. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll show you how to garden. And yes, even thousands of acres are being done just like that across America. So stop doing it the way your great-grandpa did it, and start doing it the way your great-great-grandfather did it. Everyone, welcome back to Sorky Farmstead. So we have great things going on the farm today. Number 1, our mulch came in. Second delivery, another 6 round bales of corn stalk hay. Due to the drought in the west and the south, we didn't have any hay for our cows this winter. So the cost of a bale of trash hay went from $40 to $120. Not paying that. So I worked out a deal with the local cow farmer who had bought corn stalk hay, thinking his cows would eat it. They didn't. It was a waste of money for the rancher. I'm a farmer. We made a deal. Benefits him, benefits me. So we borrowed a tractor to bring in these 800-pound round bales, drop them where I need them so I can unravel them and cover heavy mulch my soil, because I'm no-till. It's all about sustainability. Now, why do you need to no-till? Couple of reasons. It keeps the soil from heating up to the ambient temperature. So if your soil is heavy mulched like it is in the woods, underneath that mulch, the temperature of your soil might be 80 degrees, but it might be 117 degrees up here. So your plant roots can't survive in that. So I'm gonna turn around, I'm gonna show you. The only thing I hate is that we're running this tractor over 3 years of no-till, and it is gonna compress the soil. You can see the tractor marks, right? There's really nothing I can do, you guys. I can go back through and maybe broad fork those areas just a little bit to re-loosen the soil. But, I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? That's perfect, dropping. Yeah, so I wanna show you guys something. They have been sitting right there for the past 15 minutes, the baby and the German Shepherd. How beautiful is that? I can turn my back on the 5-year-old for a few minutes because the German Shepherd is being a nanny dog. Train your dogs. I have so many videos out on training. I cannot risk the German Shepherd getting underneath one of these bales or the baby. Hammer, go back. He saw me looking at him. He thought that meant release. Down. Good down. Stay. Good boys. I got a treat for you, Keaton. And you too, Hammer. Y'all stay. Just 2 more bales, dude. We got this. 2 more bales. the baby's gonna help shake them out once we get them in place. It's all about safety. These bales weighing in hundreds of pounds, if they break, and they're liable to break as he's bringing them, they would break the back of the dog, smother the baby before I could get it off of them. So you put your children out of the way. But if you haven't trained them so you can turn your back on them, you're in trouble. You see that? He's only got it one prong. Wouldn't be surprised if that just popped open. Bring in a little bit and pop it right here, Daddy. Perfect. You got it. You got it. Good job. Right there. Pop. Perfect. And I'm gonna tell you the truth, I have had snakes, rats, all kinds of stuff come out of those. Let me see if I can get his attention. Gotta remember these bales, the next one will go right here. So this is us doing it. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the truth. It costs us $330 for 6-round bales and the delivery fee. Can't beat that. If you're in Southeast Louisiana, you can inbox me. Look me up on Facebook. I'll give you the guy's number. I'm not putting it out here where, you know, millions of people can get a hold to it. But look at that. I'm a proud dog mom and godmother right now. Very proud. They're staying put. But you can see right here what I was talking about. Not yet. One more. We're almost done. You see this, how it's compressed it? I'm going to have to come through here and kind of broad fork that out. I'll show you what a broad fork is in just a second. Last hay bale, last hay bale, la-di-da-di-da, last hay bale, last hay bale, boo boo. I think I want it in a different place. It's fixing to chew me out. Watch this. Hey, can we put it over there? God bless him. That man puts up with so much from me. I am not gonna lie to you guys. I am not always easy. Stay, Hammer. Yeah, I just realized we didn't have enough over here, and if I want to save myself hours of manual labor, we can drop it right here. See, the chickens are taking the cover crops out. That's how you do that. Soil health, all about that soil. Healthy soil, healthy plants. Do I use any commercialized fertilizers? The answer is no. Look at that. That's why you got to know where your kids and your dogs are. If they'd have run out last minute and like right here, he's dropping this, I don't have control of my dog, I don't have control of my kid. Bam, before he could stop it. Good job! Good job! Come on, Keaton. Good job, my friend. Let's go get you something cool to drink, man. Let's get Steve something to drink. Yes. All right, broad fork. This is not really a graceful tool, but it will help relieve the compaction of where that tractor went through. Kind of put some air back into that soil, guys. Look, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is very physical.
And you do it the hard way.
Which way do you do it? We're gonna broad fork off. Ready? Right. Go.
I don't know who really taught her how to do something with her arms back here behind her.
I want to do that too. Someone do that one.
In just a second. Let me see that. Thank you.
It says Sam Dorothy.
Yeah, it says Sam Starkey.
Put it in front of you. So you ain't back here trying to dance around with it.
Okay, Smarty Pants.
Yeah, but what are you doing?
He's working a broad fork, Pumpkin. We're trying to soften that soil back up where we went over it. This is clay.
I put a corn right there too. I put corn.
Oh, you heard that air? Yeah.
I put corn right
And I'm going to show you guys. I'm fixing to prove something to y'all.
And that's all you have to do is just lift and let it right back down. Move. You're not tilling it.
Yeah, you're not tilling. When I tell you I'm on clay, look at that. That's clay. You don't ever want to till clay. Go ahead and eat it. Must be something in it he needs. Loves to eat my soil.
You ain't back here doing it.
I know. I can't really control it the way you do it.
Well, you control better in front of you.
Okay, I'll try it the other way.
Behind you.
Sammy, stop.
And like you put it so deep, you don't have to go deep.
It's really got to lift it. Just get air, get oxygen, and uncompress that soil. Sam, stop.
That's all you want.
Thank you. I want to show him that piece. I want to show you how, the reason we don't. You see this? It's called a shelf. You can literally see
Quit.
where the organic matter is beginning to build up on the clay and amending that clay soil. That's why we don't till. And look how crumbly it is. Normally clay is not crumbly, okay? Thanks, Steve. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't figured it out yet, we got demonetized. We're waiting on our appeal. So if you want to drop something in our Venmo or Cash App, go for it. God bless you guys.